Hello, thank you for tuning in. Today I'll be showing you how to make egusi with ukazi soup. Okay, here we've got our meat, our protein all well cooked. Okay, it has palm oil, salt, crayfish, some onions, and I didn't cook it with water. If I added water, it should just be a little water. Okay, and now I'm adding proper water. Okay, so we just added the water and we make sure it is all well mixed. Okay, and at this point we will add our egusi. Okay, when you add your egusi, you give it a very beautiful stir. You turn it well to make sure that the egusi is well mingled with your protein. Okay, and now we are adding our ogiri. This is African spice for cooking. It smells somehow, but it tastes great. Okay, it will take the taste of your food to another level. So we'll go ahead to melt it and add it to our egusi, and we'll go ahead to mix it. And let me know where you're watching us from, okay, so that we can give you a shout out in our next video. Okay, I'm adding more water to bring it to a very good consistency. We don't want this soup to be too liquid, we don't want it to be too thick. Okay, just on a normal level. And we are adding our okazi leaf. Oh my god, this is a 5-star egusi soup with ukazi. All right, so let me know in the comments if you will try this recipe. All right, so and I went ahead to mix everything together, and I will cover it to cook. Okay, to bring it to a cook, I'm adding a little more water just to make sure it's not so thick. And here our egusi soup is all well cooked. Oh my god. Let me know in the comment section if whether you're going to try this recipe, okay? And go ahead to serve and eat with any swallow of your choice. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. God bless you.